Alright guys, so today we're gonna do a quick review of the universal smartphone mount Veta from Veta. So you can see this is the bicycle mount for the smartphone. So this is sealed, entering beast mode. So we have, this is the mount. This is actually metal. This is made out of metal. And this is strapped to the actual the metal part. It also has a key. We have the key for it. So this is how it looks like, and the key goes right here. So in order to loosen it up, you have to use the key. So using the key, you make it larger so it will embrace the bicycle part. So let's see. I think you have to open it up totally. So you have to do it like this, open it up all the way. So you open it up all the way on both parts, left and right, because you cannot enter it otherwise. So you must have some patience, a little bit of patience. Just like that, just like that. Okay, so one end is loose, and you can place it wherever you want, on the left side or on the right side. So let's say on the right side. So if you can come here, so on the right side, you put it like this. So you just put it like this and then strap it up, secure it in position clockwise. Of course, we secure it clockwise. This is fairly quick. I hope I got it in the correct position. It should be in the correct position. You could fix it, I mean, a little bit loose, so you can change it afterwards, so you don't have any problems. So for example, now we have here, so the rubber band, this is the rubber part, and another part which keeps the phone in place from the middle. So this is the metal part. Alright, so it's a metal part but with a string in it, so it fits every phone. And you have this part which is the rubber part. This one is used for the corners of the phone. So now you will put this here. If I'm doing it correctly, so you just turn it and turn it. Okay, so after a few turns, it would look like this, and you can put your phone here. Do you have a phone on you? I don't. I forgot. So your phone. I forgot. The only phone we have is the one that's filming. So the actual phone will go in here. Go get it from. All right, 1 second. So phone. This is a Samsung phone. Inside here. Let's see. You put it like this, and then you use the rubber to hold in place the phone. Let's see. This is the first time I'm doing this, so bear with me. I hope I'm using it correctly. So this should keep the phone in place. You can also use a phone case with it. It looks stable, but the actual test will be in the field. So it looks fairly stable. It's pretty hard to put the rubber band on it without slipping the phone. So the rubber band goes like this, and you can use the phone. Let's see. So the phone, you can use the phone like this. So you can open the phone. I don't know the actual pin code for this one, but you can use the phone, so it will stay in place. Alright guys, so this was a short unboxing and review of the universal smartphone mount from Vetter. It looks good. I can't actually recommend it 100% because I have to test it in the field first, but as for now it looks pretty good, and if you buy it for, let's say, 25 bucks, it should be worth it. So try it guys, and see you in the next one. I wanted to say guys that overall the experience is good, so the phone stays in place, but a small detail that I didn't like is that when you roll this stand, so for example, let's see, so yeah, when you roll it to the right, it stays in place, but when you do it to the left, it's getting loose. So this is one small thing that I didn't like about this stand. So if you roll it to the left, it gets unscrewed here. You can see it gets unscrewed. So to the right, it's stable. So other than that, yeah, it won't fall off the bike.